Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract audio from your video clips on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are, and first let's drag our video clip right here with audio. So as you can see, this video has an audio, obviously because it's a song and there's lyrics. And now to extract the audio, it's very simple. All you have to do is right click on your clip, and then from here go to extract audio, click on it, and now we have the audio on the audio tray right here. As you can see, we can now see it right here. We can now adjust it, the placement and so whatsoever right here. And yeah, you can now do what you want right here. You can add a fade in, volume and so on, so that you can customize. That is why extracting it is necessary. Or if you want to save it as a file, just simply click on export, and then from here you simply need to click here on export audio and select the format that you want, and then click on export. After you have saved your location right here, click on export, and then you have successfully saved it as a file. And that is basically how you extract audio in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.